Christina here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Listen, we are super excited that you have inquired about the Palisade, and we definitely want to take the opportunity to let you know that we hope you are taking your time and being safe in this time of our national crisis going on. We want to let you know that here at the dealership, we are taking all safety precautions. We are sanitizing the dealership daily, and we are also sanitizing the touch points throughout the day just to make sure that we're safe here at the dealership. To top that off, we can do this entire purchase process remotely, which means we can bring the vehicle to you, come pick up your trade, bring it back to the dealership, sanitize it in between transactions, and even bring paperwork to you so you can take care of all of this in the quarantine of your home. We definitely wanted to make sure that you knew that we wanted to know that your safety is our utmost concern, and definitely want to take the opportunity to also let you know about the stimulus packages that are going on concerning automobile purchases. You're able to do 90 days to the first payment, as well as if something were to happen and you were to lose your job during this corona crisis, we would also be able to do a 6-month deferred payment option as well. Listen, the best thing about all of this is that you're going to be able to get one of the best deals, and you're also going to be able to do it the safest way humanly possible. So with all that being said, let's take a look at the Palisade I have on the showroom floor here. This is going to have our amazing honeycomb grille that's on the front with wraparound LED headlights, daytime running lights with premium alloy wheels. You're going to get external turn indicators, signals, push button start, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a ton of safety features like blind spot warning, smart cruise, lane departure, lane retention. The list goes on and on and on. This vehicle not only is going to come with an amazing amount of space and a ton of features, but it's going to come with America's best warranty, which is a 5-year, 60,000 new car warranty, and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty that Tameron exclusively doubles to 20 years and 200,000 miles. Listen, you definitely won't beat that warranty anywhere. But to top all of that off, we're also going to do 3 years, 36,000 miles complimentary maintenance. You can't beat that anywhere. So give me a call. My name is Christina. It's 205-314-0301. Let me show you why you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover.